I went to a chip shop around this corner. I'll show you where it is. Hold on. I'll show you where it is. So, look at the size of these though, man. Humongous, look. This dude. Yeah, so anyway. There is a chippy. And I got a fish cake. Bear in mind, I was like 10 or something, I don't know. But anyway, we went to sit down and we were like chilling, eating, and this seagull came in, right? No word of a lie, I swear to God. This seagull kind of flopped in, yeah, and nicked my fish cake off my plate. Really? That's not even a lie. Yeah, aggressive round here, I tell you.